Okay, so far I've managed to put this guy on here, managed this one, I'll put the clamps on, just got that one, I'll put this other one over here. Okay, so I put some on there, okay, and I'm going to spread it with my fingers and wrap it around here. Just like so. Alright, so now it's a matter of taking the little clamps and putting them on there. Just hoping I don't epoxy the clamp to the Alright. And then do this one over here. And then do this one here. And that's got to stay there for, I don't know, this says, where does it say? I guess on the back, if I read the instructions right. It'll set in 4 to 6 hours, and then it cures. Cures meaning it's hard and cured, 15 to 24 hours. And so it says allow 4 to 6 hours before handling and 15 hours minimum before putting objects back into use. So yeah, so this thing ain't going to go back into use till tomorrow about this time. Okay, so now I'll make sure I got everything right there. So now what I'm going to do is take some epoxy and put them around here, because I don't want those things to come undone. So I'm just going to do something like that, I guess. If I ever do have to take this apart, I'll just have to do a Dremel. I don't see a reason why I would have to take this apart. So. All right. Okay. So that's pretty much it. One thing about epoxy is you always want to have more than enough. You don't want to be, well, in this case, you have plenty of time to make some more, but I do have another one of these that, and I probably should have used in this case because it's more for plastic, but it sets a lot quicker. The setting time is like 45 minutes to an hour and a half, and then it's cured in like 6 to 8 hours, which I don't know why I didn't use it here, but okay, so I'm going to try and just remove a little bit of the excess off of there, and then it's just to sit and wait. Okay, so that's pretty much how you go about repairing, something like this. Who I'm pretty sure I could never get online anymore, and Infocus, they probably wouldn't even have this part. Worst case scenario for the escutcheon here would be that just don't put it on. All right, but I kind of like the look. It's got that nice look right there with the silver or whatever. So okay, I'll shoot a short video tomorrow on how it looks up on the projector and stuff, and that'll be it. All right, see y'all later. All right, hey, how's everybody doing? So here, you can see the the little supports that I epoxied on there are, the JB Weld epoxy has pretty much set, and yeah. So here I just again I have to put some here, some epoxy around here because the super glue didn't necessarily glue very well, so I don't think that's going to come off. And here's the other side. And so the cool thing about the epoxy, if there's there's like some that gotten up here, and if it's in the way, you can just take a file and file it off. I doubt that that this is going to be in the way of anything. So yeah, it came out really nice. I know some of y'all might be thinking, how do you take the plastic off of those credit cards? So what you can do is you take a utility knife and you start to peel up the side here. And do it with your finger. If you got fingernails, and so that's how you start to pull it up. See if I can get it going there. There you go. I don't know if you guys saw that. Okay, so just with the utility knife, start just doing that number at the end of the card, and the plastic will come off. Okay, be back in a bit. All right, so here I am. Gonna put this back up. These little white things here go into some little other white notches here that kind of just clamp on there, and it gets held on there. So you do this number. Hopefully I can get it in there just right. There you go. And then you just press. There it is. And now I'm going to put the 2 screws in here, and then the little covers, and that should be good. All right, let me go grab the screwdriver. And you don't want to over tighten these things, so let's see how this will go. Hopefully won't have any issues. Hoping that'll go in there. Well, it doesn't seem to be, that one doesn't seem to be catching. Huh. Okay, this one definitely got caught in. Okay, there it's already, there we go. Caught some threads and caught the plastic. Okay, looks like it doesn't want to go in. Alright, no problem. What we'll do is pull this off. Maybe something is obstructing it. There it is. Now, let's try again. And that's good. It looks like it's in here. I'm gonna go grab a flashlight. Be right back. See why? Well, that's definitely lined up. Not exactly why it doesn't want to catch. Alright, it caught there. Okie dokie. Okay. And I kind of just have to finagle it a little bit. Okay. I could feel the plastic bending in right here, so you don't want to tighten that way too tight. Alright, there it is. And so now I'm just going to put the little covers on. These guys, and they just kind of going like that, going like that. Cool. And let me turn it on. See what'll come on. It should. Oh yeah, you can see the light coming out of the lens there. Alrighty, and so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause here, and then I'm going to go to the screen, make sure everything's okay. Okay, cool. So there it's on, it's working. The projector is a 720p. It's what is it? 1280 by 720p. The Blu-rays and stuff that I get, man, they look really, really nice here. And it's still working. It was the years it was out. It was from 2004 to 2006. I think those are the years, and then in 2008 they stopped producing that projector, and it's a Infocus. I think it's an either SP or PS 777 projector, and it's still okay. So my memory card B ran out there, but as I was saying, it's still a very good projector. It's a 720p, and I was looking at some 4K 3-chip DLP, because this is a 3-chip DLP, and it was God, it was, I don't know why I was saying it was 22,000. It was, I think retail was 16 or 17,000 or something like that. Of course, I didn't pay that much for it. I bought it used or refurbished, as they say. But to get a 4K projector right now, that's with 3-chip DLP, it's outrageous. I mean, the prices are just. I looked at Projector Central the other day, and they want something like $99,000 for. Of course, it's a Christie, and Christie makes some really, really incredible projectors. I haven't done a lot more research, but I think I found some other ones, some other 3-chip DLPs, but they were still very, very pricey. They were in the 15, 20,000 and on up and stuff. But a single chip DLP. Optima, I can't remember the model number, was going for about $4,900, $5,000. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy how I went about repairing that escutcheon and the front plate on the projector. All right, see y'all later.